Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Pier B Resort. It's a 5-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, non-smoking rooms, tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. Pier B Resort featuring the only waterfront restaurant in Duluth. Pier B Resort offers guests direct access to Duluth's transient marina, which offers 20+ boat slips and a boat ramp. The resort also includes an indoor meeting and banquet room and spacious outdoor event space. Free Wi-Fi access is available. Each room at the resort offers a flat-screen cable TV, a refrigerator and a coffee machine. Private bathrooms come complete with a bath or shower and free toiletries. Extras include heating and air conditioning. A 24-hour front desk welcomes guests to Pier B Resort, which features an indoor pool, sauna and fitness center. The property offers free parking. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.